What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevrolet Impala flip key remote fob. This Chevy Impala key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box to this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and flip the blade open. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm going to pop this back cover off right here. So what I'm going to do is come over to the side where the key blade folds in, and I'm going to get a couple fingers in there like that. Then I'm going to have my thumb on the bottom part right here, and then just peel that back like that. And then as you can see, the battery's right here. This one already kind of popped out. Once we have our old battery out, we'll put our new battery in, and we're going to want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'll kind of tuck this edge in first like that, and then push it down into place. Snap the back cover on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.